Which pigment allows reptiles to change skin color? Answer C, chromatophores. Which marsupial is known for having bifurcated reproductive anatomy? Answer A, Tasmanian devil. What kind of animal is a pangolin? Answer B, mammal. What is the function of a siphon in cephalopods like squids? Answer C, locomotion. Which animal has both male and female reproductive organs? Answer A, earthworm. What does ovoviviparous mean? Answer B, eggs hatch inside the mother. Which species has the most chromosomes of any known animal? Answer A, Indian muntjac deer. Which desert animal has a nasal system that prevents water loss during breathing? Answer B, camel. What is the primary function of whiskers in mammals? Answer C, sensory detection. Which mammal lacks vocal cords and uses body language and vibrations to communicate? Answer A, giraffe. Stay curious like an otter. Hit subscribe.